Hey guys, it's Deborah from Time is Jewelry by Deborah. Today I am opening up an 11, 22, 23, 15-piece Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania ThredUP 15-piece box. So welcome, welcome. I hope everyone's doing really well. I figured I'd grab one of my little bit older boxes. I do still have some from 2022, but I think I'm going to save those for a while. All right. So I ordered this November 15th of 2023. So if you're new here, I'm Deborah. Time is Jewelry by Deborah. I do unboxings. I do live sales every Saturday at 12 noon Central Standard Time. I do costume jewelry through sterling and gold gemstones. I have price points for everybody. And then on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, I have videos that will come out. They can be shoes, purses, designer, or jewelry. All right, let's open this up and see what we got. Well, everything is bagged, so that's a plus. Okay, get this box out of the way. Try not to knock, you guys. All right. So what we're supposed to get, I'm going to move you down, is 15 pieces of wearable jewelry in good condition. So let's count. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That looks like a Chandlu. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, oh that's heavy, and 15. So we got 15 pieces of jewelry. They can range from names we know to names we don't know. So what I will do is I will take everything out of the package. I will get you the size and a price. And if you are interested, you can email me at timeisjewelrybydeborah@gmail.com and give me the number. We will assign numbers to each of the items to help you guys. There will be a date on the video as well. So when you send me that email, you would say, you know, blah, 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 15 piece, whatever the title is, the date of the video, and the item number. And it will be first come, first serve, and I will keep a completed sold list. So, all right, I'm going to take everything out of the bags, get you guys all the information so we can skedaddle through this quick. I appreciate all of your time that you spend with me, so I try to make it as easy as possible. All right, you guys. I'll be right back. All right, so we are going to get started. So don't forget, we're claiming by numbers. Oh, I'm going to move that over. The lights are hitting them. We're going to claim by numbers. So what you're going to do is you're going to email me at timelessjewelrybydeborah@gmail.com with the item number and the date of the video. All right, it makes it so much easier, and I know you guys love it as well. Just anything to help, right? All right, so the first item we got is number 1. This is gorgeous, gorgeous. It is Rifle Paper Company. And this is the Colette enamel cuff. It's black, blue, cream, and beige. It is marked right there, Rifle Paper Company. It is absolutely stunning. This would be best for a 6 3/4 or below. And we'll go ahead and do number 1 for $10. Okay. Number 2 is super sweet. Kate Spade. It is a thin pink, very light pink enamel with a silver tone metal. You do have a safety clasp. This is the Skinny Mini, and she is hinged 6 3/4 as well for this Kate Spade. So number 2, we'll do her for 15. Cute. Pretty for spring, right? All right, let's go ahead and do earrings. So number 3 are silver tone and brass tone, cute little studs. Here we go. These are a nice size. They're about 1/2 inch. I'm calling them the mini medallions. Number 3 we will do for $5. Okay, number 4. These are super pretty. So these are brass tone. Bring them up here for you guys. These are beautiful. Look at the aqua, blue, green. rhinestones on these. They are 1 inch. They are for pierced ears. When I first saw them, I thought they were going to be screwbacks, but these are definitely not vintage. But they are 1 inch long, and so we will do number 4 for $6. Super pretty, super pretty. Number 5 are marked RA on the back, and I don't recognize that right there, RA. So they are a gunmetal. Now this one seems to have some coloration here. Can you guys see that right there? Purples and pinks. I don't know if that's intentional. There is some here as well. So I don't know what the story is, but these are super pretty. They are RA gunmetal fashion earrings. They are 2 3/4 inch. So for these, number 5, we're going to do $3. All right. Number 6 are Bobble Bar pierced earrings. Again, tassels. We've been getting tassels for years. So these are a deep navy blue and brass tone. They are marked Bobble Bar. They're 3 1/4 inches. We'll go ahead and do number 6 for $5. Okay, on to number 7. These are gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I believe these are the Italy line. So here we go. These are J. Crew. Oh, lovely. They are semi-precious stone, and they're the wheel earrings. There's jaspers in there. There's eagle-eye jasper, tiger jasper, Dalmatian jasper. They are 1.5 inches. They are lovely. They are gold tone. So number 7 we will do for $25. I love these earrings. All right. Number 8. Oops, let's flip it over. There we go. Number 8 is a pair of All Saints silver tone earrings. So they're silver tone. They're going to hang like this. They are marked All Saints right there. I believe these are sold at Nordstrom. They are pretty earrings, nice and simple. They are attached 1 inch. And we will go ahead and do number 8, All Saints, for $20. All right. Number 9, Love, Love, Love. So this is by Clara Kasuma. Now, I believe that this one was one of the test items that they did. You know, they will do samples. So this is a brass tone with rhinestones. This is by Clara Casavina, made in New York. And these are just absolutely lovely. They are kind of like a pink. I would call them a pink rhinestone on the copper, so it is lovely. It is a size 7, and it is very comfortable on. It is a large ring. So for the Clara Kasuna, sorry, I can't speak today, number 9, we will do $20, and she's a brand to know. All right, number 10. Okay. So, this is a fashion ring. It is marked 925S. It is not. So, I did Google Lens. So, what does Google Lens tell me? It tells me this is a Temu ring that is $2 on Temu. I was like so sad because it's so beautiful. So absolutely beautiful. It did not test as sterling silver. It is gorgeous though. Look at that. So for right now, I'm not going to sell this because it is marked sterling and it is not. I mean, if someone really wants it, we can do 5 for it. So and this is a size 6. But please know that the 925 is not correct. It is not 925. It is not palladium, rhodium over silver. It is not platinum over silver. It is a fashion ring, but it is a beautiful fashion ring. So number 10, we could do that for 5. All right, number 11. Let me get over here. All right, let's do this one next. So this is Clea Bella for Lucky Brand. So it's marked Clea Bella. And then here is this beautiful pendant necklace. I love this. This is a faux turquoise. It ranges from 30 to 32 inches using your extender. It is a beautiful piece. For the Cleobella, we'll go ahead and do 15 for that. That's a gorgeous one. All right, we are on to number 12. I love this piece. This is by Club Monaco. It is heavy, as you can hear it. It is gold tone, a very pale gold tone, and then we have the acrylic links. It is absolutely beautiful. It still has its tag, and it is 18 inches. We can do the Club Monaco for 15. Okay, we are on to number 13. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is lovely. I love Chico's, and when I get pieces like this, now I remember why I love Chico's. So here we go. Chico's, new with the tag, was originally $49. So we have 2 gold tone strings here, but look at these. These are glass, faceted, beautiful glass. Number 13. This is the Kaya, K-A-I-Y-A glass necklace. It goes 35 to 38 inches. We'll go ahead and do the Kaya for 20. So number 13 is $20. Number 14, Chan Lu. So you have sterling silver here. It is marked Chan Lu. And then she uses a leather. This is a wrap bracelet, and it has multiple gemstones in there, a whole bunch of different kind. It is absolutely lovely. You could use it as an anklet as well. You could even maybe use it as a necklace wrap. It just depends on how small your neck is. It is Chan Lu. Number 14 is $30. And the last piece, I love this. It's so beautiful. All right, so this was that piece that we got new in the box. This is by H. Brickell & Co. out of Newport. Exquisite handcrafted 14 karat gold and sterling silver jewelry. Well, this is sterling silver. Give some information about them. They are from Newport, Rhode Island. So this is a sterling silver clam with a pearl in it. Isn't that precious? So on their website, this exact one is selling for $89.99. It is sterling silver and pearl. H. Brickell & Company. We will go ahead and do that for $50. So that's number 15. All right, so if you are interested, email me at timelessjewelbydeborah@gmail.com with the item number and the date and name of the video, and I will go through the email and respond back to you, let you know that you got it, because sometimes people will want the same one, so I'll see which ones came in first. I do keep a completed sold list right down there. Make sure you check it, and maybe halfway through this video you could refresh again to see if it's been claimed. Now, if claims do come in overnight, or it's like dinner time and I haven't responded, don't worry, I will go by whoever first came in. So all right, well, you guys let me know, how'd you like this box? I think it was a fantastic box. So if you are interested, email me. Don't forget the number and the title. And as always, be well and take care of yourself and tell someone you love them today. I'll see you guys real soon. Bye.